Okay, welcome to the next video. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how to use either the Fillet or the Chamfer tool. In the previous two videos, the first video was to show you how to create a sketch, and in the second video we took this sketch and we used the extrude tool to create this 3D object. Now if you look at the example in the background, you can see that the edges have been broken. This is a fillet. And the other option we can use is a chamfer. To show you the difference, I'm just going to roll forward in the panel. The rounded broken edge is the fillet, and this is what the chamfer looks like. So it's a broken edge, but it's just with a sharp angled face. If you know why they're either called a fillet or a chamfer, please leave a comment below in the comment section. So I'm just going to roll back so I can get my feature, and the fillet feature is just in the modify menu and choose fillet or keyboard shortcut F. Once the dialog appears, it's just a matter of selecting the edges that you wish to fillet and then adding a value, a radius for how big that rounded edge will be, and hit OK. Remember, if you ever want to edit your fillet, you can either double click or right click in the feature tree and hit edit feature, and you can see that I can increase the value there or edit any way we want. I'm just going to roll that back so I can put in a chamfer, and again, very similar. We hit modify menu, we choose the chamfer, no keyboard shortcut for the chamfer, select the edges that you wish to chamfer, add your value in the dialog box and hit OK. So that's how we do a fillet or a chamfer. In our next video, we're going to explore how to add text, so then we can create features like you can see on our example model there. Thank you.